beauty is something which almost all are concerned of, and spend lots of time and money looking for different ways to enhance their beauty. Well, most of us might not be aware of ice being an under the radar beauty product. Whether you want to boost your glow, fight pimples, or get rid of wrinkles, a simple ice cube can achieve all your beauty needs. We have put together some of the epic beauty uses of ice that might surprise you. Let's have a look into it. Number 1. Get smoother skin. Every evening or before going to bed, try washing your face. Fill a plastic bag with ice, and gently massage your face and neck area for about 3 minutes. Doing this for few days will make your skin fresh and smooth. Ice therapy also prevents wrinkles and helps you sleep better. Number 2. Get rid of acne. Ice therapy is one of the best ways to attack acne problems. Wash your face, and wrap an ice cube in a clean soft cloth or a napkin. Gently press this against the pimples for 3 to 5 minutes. The pimples will shrink in a matter of no time. Number 3. Reduce wrinkles. Ice improves your blood circulation and prevents premature aging and wrinkles. You can massage your face for about a minute every day before applying makeup. Doing this on a regular basis will help you get a wrinkle-free skin. Number 4. Fight open pores. The cooling action of ice is very effective at shrinking open pores. All you need to do is run an ice cube directly over your face for 2 or 3 minutes. If you're consistent enough, your enlarged and open pores will start to shrink within a few days. Number 5. Get rid of puffy eyes. There are many reasons why your eyes can get swollen, but don't worry, ice can fix the issue. Wrap 2 ice cubes in pieces of cloth. Place them over closed eyes, and gently massage the most inflamed areas for 2 minutes. Do this in a slow and circular motion. Number 6. Combat belly fat. You can get rid of those excess belly fat just with the use of an ice cube. Place an ice pack on your belly for 15 minutes. Remove it for 3 minutes, and repeat this for an hour maximum. You can use ice packs with horsetail tea, green tea, coffee, and rosemary. The ice transforms white fat cells into brown fat cells that can be burnt by the process of metabolism more easily and quickly. But remember, this trick gives the best results if combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. So, these are some of the epic beauty uses of ice. Do try them to experience the difference.